Hi there, Lindsay. If you do have this kid's tablet, I am going to show you how we are going to reset the tablet. So if you have locked yourself out, I am going to show you what we are going to do. We are going to power off the tablet. So we do have the volume button and the power button here. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to hold the volume. We're going to hold the volume up and also the power button. I think the case. Right. So guys, we are into the recovery system and you want to navigate using the volume down. We are going to go to wipe data factory reset. You want to hit the power button. You want to hit down again. You will see factory data reset. And then we're going to reset the tablet. The tablet is now reset. We're going to hit the power button now to reboot system now. And the tablet is now reset. In terms of the password is gone. Everything on the tablet is gone. So all your pictures and all your videos, everything is completely erased. And we can use the tablet now that it is factory reset. For those of you who may have a Gmail account in the device from before or from the previous user before, you will definitely need to re-enter that Gmail account, as it's like a security to protect your device from stolen or from someone who may have found your device and trying to use it. It acts as a form of protection for your information and for owner security. So guys, smart with life reach kids tablet, that's how you reset it. We are just waiting for the screen to load. Before you do a system reset like this, you want to ensure that your battery is above 35% just for safety. So it may take some time. That's why you need to have that extra battery life. And yeah. So guys, that actually took a while. So what we're going to be doing now, this is like when you got your tablet brand new. So if you look, here is where it will ask you to enter the password to connect to the internet. But if you don't have a Gmail account, you can set up offline. And it let you write through. So you set the date and you accept the terms for Google. Then you skip or you add a screen password if you so desire. You can also do all of these things after. And bam, we're done. So that's how you reset your kids' tablet 10.1. I hope that this was helpful, guys. My name is Lens. If you're new to my channel, go right ahead and subscribe. Any questions or comment, do so in the comment section below.